Somebody not using 19 properly, that makes a change, doesn't it? Let's just stop that from shorting out. Right, so we've got this new boxed Midland 3001 to be checked over from the gentleman who runs the trucking and farming business, and I can verify this is a new set, but has previously been had the deviation adjusted, which is what decent dealers would have done at the time, and it's been adjusted correctly. So it is a new set, but it had that done because a lot of the sets came out with the deviation far too low. These don't have low power, so it's 4 watts, and the receiver needed a bit of a tickling up. Let's go to Mega Chippie channel, and we'll see whether Mr. Mega Chippie is out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Yes, stand by.
Roger. Right, while he does that, we'll plug our extension speaker in. And there's the box. And we'll get the microphone out because right at the end we're going to do the test with the standard replacement mic, but at the end we'll go through to our base station with the factory original mic.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, ready when you are.
Roger, I'm ready. Off you go.
Roger that. Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, I've got a tone control.
Roger, heading up the lane towards the end of it.
Bassy.
Just passing the
Not
place
bassy.
and doggy daycare, which I don't think
In
it's
the out
in use,
position.
but it's too dark to say.
Yes, we're a few minutes late today. Yeah, that was fine, thank you.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station and it's closed.
I'm not surprised.
Right, we're now square-wheeled Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, diddly dodger.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger.
going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Midland 3001 Precision Series from 1982, and I'm using a Standard Replacement mic, and the radio is doing a full 4 watt output.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger.
Seems nice and quiet on the band tonight.
Good. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on a Midland 3001, the later one from 1982, and it's doing a full 4 watt output. I'm on a Standard Replacement mic. These sets don't have low power. I'm drawing 958 milliamps, and that's it. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Excellent. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger, got you on the move.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Has that end today, or are they shut too? Over.
No, it's 138.9, 144.7.
Okay, that works an absolute treat, thank you very much.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end today, or are they shut too? Over.
No, it's 138.9, 144.7.
Okay, that works an absolute treat. Thank you very much.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
1010. You can't say any more about it. It's absolutely lovely. Right, so we'll go over to the base station. We'll start off on that standard replacement mark I've just been using. Then we'll go over to the factory original.
Tango 21, testing the Midland 3001 with our standard replacement coffin mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now we'll go over to the factory original microphone, which I've specially unbagged out of the box. And this is the factory original microphone, which I've turned my monitor receiver off. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So not sure what we've got tomorrow. Waiting for